Odyssey is a CX strategy agency that combines data-driven segmentation with creative storytelling. We build customer experiences that drive visibility and conversion. This case study is about the Cyber Citadel website remake. They needed to increase SEO and align their content with user expectations. The project had several KPIs that would determine the project's success. SEO metrics were the most important. The site increased visibility 46% year-over-year since the remake. We also measure the quality of our content by its readability and optimized semantics. And the structure was reorganized based on the customer needs first, which corresponded to the SEO reach we wanted to achieve. All this led to more customer retention, more contacts, and more revenue. Visit us at odyssey.com and schedule a Zoom with our team. And let's bring your customer journey to life. Thank you for coming.